Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Changkuoth Nyak, bringing you reliable and respectful update on major news stories from across South Sudan. Today we are covering three important developments: an attack on Morobo County Hospital, a deadly clash between army youths and SSPDF soldiers in Koch County, a robbery and killing at a petrol station in Tambura County. Let's begin with the first headline. On the evening of Friday, June 20, a serious and unfortunate incident occurred at Morobo County Hospital, located in central Equatoria State. Local authorities and local officials have reported that a group of army individuals stormed the hospital compound. According to report, the attackers broke into the hospital and looted essential medical supplies. They also targeted the hospital staff quarter, taking mobile phones, computers, money, and important documents. Worse still, they set fire to two ambulances parked at the hospital. These ambulances were vital for transporting patients to Yei, a city nearby. In some cases, they were used multiple times a day. Their destruction is a heavy blow to healthcare access for the local populations. The hospital is supported by Medicine Sans Frontiers, also known as Doctors Without Borders. This organization provides essential healthcare services in some of the South Sudan's most remote and vulnerable areas. Charles Data, the county commissioner, expressed deep concern and sadness. He described the attack as not only a local tragedy, but a national crisis. He urged both state and national authorities to intervene and restore support to the hospital, which now faces a severe shortage of medicines and equipment. In response to the incident, civil society leader Edmund Yakane, who is the executive director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, strongly condemned the attack. He said that targeting civilian facilities, especially hospitals, is a violation of international law and a threat to the protection of civilians. This attack followed earlier violence reported in Jonglei State, where a hospital in Olfangak, operated by MSF, was reportedly bombed in May. These events are raising serious concern about the safety of the health services in conflict-affected areas of South Sudan. Army youths kill SSPDF soldier in Koch County. Now let's go to Unity State in Koch County. Violence erupted once again on Thursday, June 19th. A deadly confrontation took place between government forces and army youths in Forest State area. According to John Deng, the county police director, one SSPDF soldier was killed and another was wounded during the clashes. The attacker reportedly escaped with a PKM machine gun, a type of heavy weapon used in combat. The incident appeared to be connected to revenge killing that happened last month, where 3 people lost their life. Investigation indicated that a murdered suspect had previously escaped from detention during a mobile court session in Lair County. The SSPDF soldiers involved in Thursday clash were reportedly on a mission to arrest those believed to be involved in the early killing. However, when the army youths learned of the operation, they launched an attack. Koch County SSPDF commander Riek Lambol said that orders had been issued for the arrest of the suspect, but so far no arrests have been made. He assured the public that research is ongoing and urged the local community to cooperate with authorities to prevent further violence. This situation highlights the danger of cycle of revenge and the difficulty of enforcing law and order in areas with limited access to security forces and legal systems. Our third story: on the night of Friday, June 20, unidentified gunmen launched a deadly robbery at a petrol station. The incident happened around 9 p.m. According to the county commissioner, Masib Mabenge, the attacker opened fire at the petrol station, killing a soldier who was guarding the premises. After killing the guard, the gunman threatened the station worker, who were Somali national, and took 20 million South Sudanese pounds before escaping into the night. The soldier who was killed has been identified as Philip Senangon. Fortunately, the 4 Somali workers survived the attack, though they were traumatized by the experience. Commissioner Mabenge said that security forces were immediately deployed the following morning to investigate the crime. He called on a resident to report any suspicious activity and urged the regional government to increase patrol to protect the community. State Police Commissioner Major General Philip Madutong also confirmed that the attacker took the soldier's firearm along with the Koch. He mentioned that on the same night, a separate incident occurred in Yambio where an unidentified soldier fired gunshot into the air, causing panic among local residents. Tambura Acting Paramount Chief Thomas Bandesa stated that while the identity of the attacker remains unknown, investigations are underway. The motive behind the robbery is still unclear, but Tambura County has seen a rise in criminal activity and insecurity in recent months. Community members continue to call for stronger government action to improve safety in the area. As we have seen these stories, the situation in part of South Sudan remains fragile. From attacks on hospital and soldiers to rising insecurity in town, civilians are facing serious challenges. We urge the government, civil society, and international partners to continue working together for peace, justice, and protection of all citizens, regardless of their region or background. To everyone listening, let us stay informed, stay peaceful, and speak out for the safety and dignity of our people. These are not just news stories. They are real life, real families, and real communities affected every day. Thank you for listening to this week news update. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share with others. I'm Changkuoth Nyak. Until next time, stay safe and stay united. Bye-bye.